watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Step into the warmth of farmhouse charm as we unveil winter farmhouse living room decor ideas. From soothing color palettes to creative decor repurposing, join us in curating a cozy sanctuary perfect for the winter season. Choose a winter color palette. Explore warm hues like cinnamon, taupe, and soft gray for a winter palette that exudes coziness. Mix in neutral tones for a timeless and inviting atmosphere. Reuse Christmas decor. Give old ornaments new life by incorporating them into a captivating centerpiece. Combine pine cones, twigs, and candles for a rustic yet elegant table decoration. Create a cozy seating nook. Introduce a snug reading corner with oversized cushions and chunky knit blankets. Add a touch of winter magic with fairy lights and a faux fur throw for extra comfort. DIY farmhouse wall art. Craft your farmhouse-inspired wall art using reclaimed wood and stenciled quotes. Personalize the artwork with phrases that resonate with the warmth of winter. Mason jar candle holders. Transform simple mason jars into charming candle holders. Fill them with Epsom salt or faux snow, nestle a candle inside, and enjoy the soft, flickering glow. Rustic wooden shelves. Install rustic wooden shelves on empty walls to display vintage winter-themed decor. Arrange lanterns, snow globes, and antique skis for a nostalgic touch. Nature-inspired centerpiece. Bring the outdoors in with a nature-inspired centerpiece. Combine pine cones, birch logs, and dried flowers in a decorative bowl or tray for a rustic focal point. Farmhouse-style gallery wall. Create a gallery wall with distressed frames showcasing winter-themed prints. Include botanical illustrations, snowflakes, and vintage skis for a farmhouse gallery charm. Vintage winter signs. Hunt for vintage winter signs at flea markets or create your own using reclaimed wood. Display nostalgic phrases or quotes that evoke the timeless charm of winter. Farmhouse coffee table styling. Elevate your coffee table with a carefully curated arrangement of candles, books, and textured coasters. Incorporate a tray for a cohesive and stylish look. Cotton stem vases. Arrange cotton stems in distressed vases or pitchers for a simple yet charming farmhouse touch. Place them on side tables or mantels for a subtle nod to winter. Woven basket storage. Integrate woven baskets for stylish storage solutions. Use them to organize blankets, pillows, or winter accessories while adding a rustic farmhouse element. Explore the endless possibilities of farmhouse warmth with these winter living room decor ideas. Which idea will you incorporate into your space? Share your favorites in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal inspiration. Create a haven of comfort in your home this winter. Blanket ladder display. Utilize a wooden blanket ladder to showcase an array of cozy blankets. Mix patterns and textures for visual interest and easy access during chilly evenings.